This is another new Black World Order TV Productions. Chopper. Grand Rising family, what's happening? I want to talk about the coming onslaught of weaponized technology, right? And I want to talk about the various organizations within the Black community that are claiming to have contact access in the back of higher forms of technology. Well, there's a term called calling you bluff, right? Because the time in which we're moving in, right, there's a man named Elon Musk, Tesla Corporation, Technology Corporation. There are dozens of other leading corporations that are planning to digitize the planet, right? And this is happening as we speak. Smart cities, smart cars, smart homes, self-driving cars, self-driving tractor trailers with no human drivers. At the supermarkets, getting rid of cashiers, at the food restaurants, etc. Robotics taking over the labor force. This is a lecture I'm going to do, and it's entitled Weaponized Technology. If you got a mothership, if you got a Nibiru, they better come on and show up. Talking all this alien crap, God caught craps, while these people are hiring you and you're going to work in building that which is going to trap you. A digitized planet, weaponized technology. This is when knowledge becomes the enemy, right? And this is a challenge to all of the mothership organizations. You're going to have to produce your technology, or we're going to really sentence our descendants to a life of robots, and they will become less and less non-human. So coming forth will be a breakdown of that. This is King Shah. This is another new Black World Order TV Productions. Chopper.